Listen up, entrepreneurs. Want to start a business but don't have cash? Dropshipping is your answer. Sell products online without holding inventory. List products on your site or social media. Supplier ships directly to the customer. No upfront investment means less risk. Pay for products only when you make sales. Perfect for beginners and side hustlers. Ready to build an empire from your laptop? Let's dive in. AliExpress is a massive online marketplace based in China. It's like Amazon, but with millions of products at wholesale prices. This makes it a dropshipper's paradise. Find a product for $5, list it for $15. Customer buys, you pocket the $10 profit. Sweet, right? AliExpress offers a vast selection of products across every niche imaginable. Plus, many suppliers offer dropshipping services, handling packaging and shipping. Starting a dropshipping business with zero capital is easier than you think. Here's the game plan. Choose a niche. What are you passionate about? Focus on a specific category to attract a targeted audience. Create an online store. Platforms like Shopify offer free trials. Connect with suppliers on AliExpress. Negotiate pricing and shipping terms. List your products with compelling descriptions and competitive prices. Section 4. Picking winners, products, and suppliers that convert. Choosing the right products and suppliers is crucial for dropshipping success. Here are some tips. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and AliExpress's trending products section to identify hot items. Focus on products with a wow factor. Unique, innovative, or problem-solving products tend to sell better. Read supplier reviews carefully. Look for suppliers with positive feedback, high ratings, and fast shipping times. Order product samples to check quality. Don't risk selling products you haven't personally inspected. Communicate with suppliers before partnering. Ask about their dropshipping policies, production times, and customer service. Section 5. Show and sell marketing your dropshipping empire. Building a successful dropshipping business requires effective marketing. Here's how to get the word out. Leverage the power of social media. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Run targeted ads to reach your ideal customers. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Offer irresistible discounts and promotions. Attract customers with flash sales, free shipping offers, and bundle deals. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns professionally, and go the extra mile to build trust and loyalty. Section 6. Challenges and champions overcoming obstacles. Dropshipping isn't without its challenges, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome any obstacle. Long shipping times. Communicate shipping times transparently with customers. Offer faster shipping options for an additional fee. Inventory management. Use dropshipping tools to track inventory levels and avoid selling out-of-stock products. Customer service issues. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Address any concerns efficiently to maintain a positive brand image. Competition. Differentiate your business by offering unique products, exceptional customer service, and a strong brand identity. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the hurdles, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Section 7. Conclusion. Your dropshipping journey starts now. Dropshipping from AliExpress with zero capital is a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that allows you to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss. Remember, choose a niche you're passionate about. Find winning products with high demand. Partner with reliable suppliers. Market your business effectively. Provide exceptional customer service. The dropshipping journey is exciting, challenging, and ultimately rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Take action today and start building your dream business.